What's up guys, this is Tampatec and today I am excited to announce that the Flipper latency update is available on your machine. So if you have the Legends 4K pinball machine, only thing you have to do is connect to the internet, download that firmware update, 6.0.28 firmware update. Then what follows is a component update. So make sure you download both updates. Then you want to go and sign in and go into your App Store X, and then you can purchase the Universal Classics movie pack. It includes Back to the Future, E.T., and Jaws. And yes, it does include the Flipper latency update patch. So I'd like to thank AtGames, ZEN, and Magic Pixel for working together to get this update released. Here are the Flipper latency improvement updates. These are the release calendar events. You can pause the screen if you want to take a look. There's also going to be a tournament following each update. As you can see right here, these are the calendar events for the ZEN tournament. Be sure to click on the link in the video description below. John Wagner made an excellent video showing all the ZEN table Flipper latency data. As you can see on top, Addams Family Flipper latency before the update was 138 milliseconds. After the update was 94 milliseconds. To put that in perspective, the natural history tables are averaging around 65 to 70 milliseconds. So what are people saying? What's their reaction on the Flipper latency improvements? Well, let's take a look. As you can see on Facebook and YouTube, the reactions are really positive. Here are the release notes for firmware 6.0.28. Improve input latency for ZEN titles. Flash Drive X now supports data transfer for ZEN tables. Optimize application performance and promotional navigation improvements for App Store X. If you want to learn more, click on the link. You want to go to App Store X, and then when you go there, you can download the latest update for the Addams Family pack. If you bought that, it would be right there, and you'll see a circle with an arrow. And then right here, you'll notice Universal Classics Pinball pack, and then you can purchase that and download that. So right here, you'll be able to click on this and then install, and now you have an option to install internal or Flash Drive X. So now I'm going to go ahead and download to my Flash Drive X USB drive. So my USB drive is plugged into USB port 2, which is closest to the Ethernet port, and it is a 32 gig 3.1 Memorex USB drive. You also move the package back to your internal storage if you choose to. But I like having my DLC packs installed on the Flash Drive X drive, just in case I have to factory reset my Legends 4K pinball machine. I still have all my tables saved on my Flash Drive X drive. So now I have all the tables installed and they're in my favorites list, including Addams Family. So these are the 4 tables that have the Flipper latency update, and also you'll be able to install these tables to your Flash Drive X USB drive. So whether you purchase the Addams Family on App Store X or you have the Addams Family themed pinball machine, that both versions will have the Flipper latency update. I got some footage in slow motion to show you the Flipper latency improvements and some gameplay footage. There we go. So now we have control over the ball. All right, I'm gonna shoot the side ramp. Before the latency update, I had the hardest time trying to hit that side ramp for the jackpot. But now after the latency update, I'm able to finally hit that super jackpot or double jackpot. Got it. Double jackpot. That's what I want. Everything looks nice and sharp and vivid. Let's go ahead and select a year. My favorite is 2015. I like how everything looks nice and sharp. Even on right here the dashboard, which is really cool, you can see the dates really clear. They did a great job on this table. The plunger feels good. Oh. And now we have to hit these targets right here. Oh yeah, the flippers are super responsive. Yes, this is what everyone I think was basically looking for is this response on these flippers. They feel really responsive, and I have no problem hitting my targets. This is a fantastic table. I love it. I love that you can travel back and forth through different modes in time, which is really cool. And have really good, fun shots too. So you got that side shot right here, which is a great shot. And you want to shoot up the middle for out-of-time multi-ball. And you have to get to 1.21 gigawatts. Everything looks fantastic. The flippers are very responsive. I am super happy with this table. And this is a great table too. Great theme. Great sounds, great modes, great shots. Fantastic table. There's 4 flippers. I like those side shots with the side flippers. Very cool. This has a lot of ball flow. Everything feels nice and responsive. The flippers feel great. The apron right here looks fantastic. The playfield looks fantastic. The water looks incredible, like very realistic. And flipper latency improvement definitely is what everyone's been looking for. And I have a really cool mode called Raging Sea. We're going to try to activate that by hitting the left orbit a few times. That's once. Alright. There we go. Activated it. Now all your points are doubled. And I drained. Oh, I got ball safe.
If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. These are the calendar events once again for the flipper latency updates. And if you guys want more information about the release notes, go ahead and click on the links in the video description below. Thanks guys for watching.